Windows 7 is here, and you're planning a move to Windows 7 in the next 12 months, which means a much-needed upgrade to your desktop infrastructure. This is a great opportunity to consider a new approach, a desktop virtualization strategy. Desktop virtualization will have a very positive impact on your users, on your IT organization, and on your bottom line. Desktop virtualization provides unmatched performance and accessibility for any user on any device from anywhere. For IT, it offers improved manageability, increased security, and a lower TCO. And IT can now roll out hundreds or thousands of Windows 7 desktops in a fraction of the time. But not all desktop virtualization solutions are created alike. You may already be familiar with VDI. It's a great technology that will satisfy the needs of some of your enterprise users. However, VDI alone does not offer the flexibility and cost savings you need for your entire organization. Together, Citrix and Microsoft deliver a comprehensive solution that addresses both the performance requirements and the many different working patterns of today's enterprise users. This joint solution stores the operating system, applications, and user profile as separate images in the data center, then dynamically assembles virtual desktops for each user as needed. For instance, the user in this example has logged in and is working on a file in his virtual Windows XP desktop. When it's time for his Windows 7 update, all the user needs to do is log out of his XP session. Then, an IT administrator goes into the user's properties, adds the Windows 7 group to his profile, and clicks OK. Then, removes the XP desktop group from the profile, clicks to confirm, and applies the changes. All the user has to do is log back in, and he can continue working on his file, which is now running in Windows 7. Single image management makes it easy to deploy 50 or 50,000 desktops, all from one Windows 7 OS image. Not only that, but patches and updates only need to be installed once on that single OS image. Then, they get instantly applied to every desktop in the network. IT can also separate and virtualize applications in the data center. Whether you use AppV to stream applications to the user's desktop or RDS-based hosted apps on the server, application virtualization reduces application conflicts and improves IT efficiency. App virtualization is great for users too. With a few clicks, users can download the Citrix receiver. Seconds later, they get access to Dazzle, an intuitive self-service application center from Citrix. From there, users simply pick and choose the apps they need. Let's start with some applications from HR. In this case, the user chooses Coaching Conversations and SAP. As they click Add, each application is added to their list of Dazzle apps in the Start menu. Then they'll add some productivity applications. They click on Microsoft AppV and choose PowerPoint, Outlook, and Excel. When they click on their Start menu, they find all of their new applications instantly available. With application virtualization, users no longer need to wait for someone in IT to process a work order. Users add apps themselves quickly and easily, whenever they need them. Not only that, but users can add apps to any device, adding even more flexibility. The Citrix and Microsoft solution delivers virtual desktops for every type of user in your enterprise. Hosted shared desktops for workers with fixed usage requirements, VDI for office workers with general productivity needs, Blade PCs for technical and graphics professionals, desktop streaming for on-site users in standardized environments, and local VM desktops for mobile workers who need offline access. Citrix and Microsoft deliver any combination of these desktops from one centrally managed solution. For any desktop virtualization solution, though, the true test is end-user performance. Citrix raises the bar on virtual desktop performance with HDX, a set of performance-boosting technologies that deliver an unparalleled user experience to any user on any device. Let's take a look. The HDX user experience is indistinguishable from that of a local PC. This high-definition video, for instance, is playing smoothly on a virtual desktop. HDX technology gives you this kind of blazing fast performance every time. But let's look under the hood for a second. Citrix HDX technology achieves these remarkable results while using significantly less bandwidth than the competition. So Citrix and Microsoft provide both the fastest and most efficient desktop virtualization solution on the market, with unmatched flexibility for your users, all on a trusted platform you're already familiar with. So what do you need for a successful desktop virtualization solution? You'll need an enterprise-class broker to control user policies and connections, and an integrated management system for managing all physical and virtual desktops from a single console. For your users, you'll need a high-definition experience and self-service applications. Only Citrix and Microsoft provide a comprehensive joint solution for virtual desktops. In a recent interview, Bob Muglia, president of the server and tools business for Microsoft, had this to say about the unique Microsoft-Citrix partnership.
Well, I think there's no question that Microsoft and Citrix provide a more complete environment than anyone else on the planet. Nobody has the full set of capabilities that the partners of Microsoft and Citrix can provide together, both from an overall manageability perspective. We together can manage the entire environment, all of the desktop management. That's something no one else can do, providing world-class virtualization support, world-class session virtualization, world-class application virtualization. The pieces together are an incredibly cost-effective solution for customers, and all of the things that our competition can provide are just a fraction of what Microsoft and Citrix can give to our customers together.
Microsoft and Citrix, the high-definition virtual experience your users demand on a platform you can trust.